Dear Headline TV viewers, today we have a leading sexology specialist, an infertility expert, and also the chairman of Indian Association of Sexology, Dr. K. Kamaraj. Welcome, sir. Let's begin with what causes premature sex ejaculation, and what is the solution for it, and what is the reason for the problem?
Premature ejaculation is the commonest sexual problem among men. Around 70% of males are ejaculating within 2 minutes. So, this is the commonest problem among the males. Actually, premature ejaculation will not cause much problem in men because they ejaculate, they enjoy pleasure. The sufferers are their wife. They do not enjoy pleasure, they do not reach orgasm. That is the main problem. Then what happens in their relationship? They end up in trouble. Regularly, a person is ejaculating prematurely. So, the wife is totally not satisfied. Slowly they refuse to do sex. They say, yesterday only we did, we will do another day, I am tired, I am not willing, this sort of things. So, there are several reasons for premature ejaculation. The best thing is it is treatable, it is correctable. So many reasons. We divide premature ejaculation into two. Number one, since birth, since the beginning they ejaculate. During masturbation, immediately after sex, throughout their life they ejaculate prematurely. Number one, they are primary premature ejaculators. Another category, secondary premature ejaculators. Initially, they were normal, they ejaculate normally. After some time, they ejaculate quickly. So, they are called secondary premature ejaculators. There are several reasons. Number one, hormones plays a important role, and anxiety, depression, and so many things like neurological problems and urological problems can cause premature ejaculation. Without any reason, most of the people of premature ejaculators, secondary premature ejaculators are not having any specific reason, they just ejaculate quickly. So, what we can do? Premature ejaculation can be corrected by several small exercise. Number one, they can, before sex, they can stimulate their partner till they reach orgasm. So, their partner is now satisfied. So, rest they have to reach orgasm. So, they can do sex, even they ejaculate prematurely, they are also reaching orgasm. Both of them are satisfied. When he stimulates his partner, it will take 15 to 20 minutes to reach orgasm. So, total time for sexual intercourse is around 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So, how to take wife to an orgasm? So, we need some basic knowledge. For females, the sexual organ is clitoris, not the vaginal opening. So, you do sex in the vaginal opening for even 10 minutes, 15 minutes, woman will not reach orgasm. The clitoris is the slight projection above vaginal opening, above urine hole, above the urine passing the hole. There is a small projection that is called a clitoris. That should be stimulated 10 to 15 minutes or sometimes more without any interruption. The male partner, they have to stimulate, preferably by tongue. They can stimulate with their fingers, But most of the women, they develop burning sensation, so say they cannot stimulate more and more. Preferably the male, they can stimulate with their tongue so that the partner can reach orgasm. So 15 minutes she reached orgasm. So remaining is his orgasm. So he can do sex and he can reach orgasm. So the total duration is around 20 minutes and both of them reached orgasm, they are satisfied. And this is much better way, the women they enjoy really. Okay, now they have started sex. The male is about to ejaculate. You feel you are going to ejaculate within a short duration, stop it. Remove the penis. Squeeze the head of the penis. Squeeze strongly. The feeling of ejaculation stops. Wait for a minute, then you can redo sex. Again you can enter into sex. Again when you feel you are going to ejaculate, stop it. Squeeze the tip of the penis. Again wait for a minute, then you can redo. This way you can take longer time. You can take half an hour, 1 hour, even more than that. Few hours we can continue sex. Okay, this is during sex, or some other alternatives are there. Take a deep breath. You take a deep breath. Keep all the air inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly you exhale. Then you can again inhale. Keep the breath inside. Then slowly exhale. This will retard the ejaculation. You will not ejaculate quicker. While doing sex, you have to do this. Third, you are doing sex. You ejaculated quickly. Now, don't stop it. You can turn down. You can come down, and your partner can be on the top, female on top. She can continue sex. She can be on the top position and she can continue. In this posture, penis will not lose its erection. You can continue sex. She can rub her clitoris on your body and you reach orgasm. Your wife will reach orgasm. Till then you can continue this way. So, we can divide into 3. Before sex, you stimulate your partner. During sex, squeeze and stop, squeeze and stop. After sex, you can convert female on top position and let her reach orgasm. This way, premature ejaculation will be effectively curtailed. But some people, all these things will not be very useful. They feel, I don't like it, or my wife is not liking this. We hate all these things. In spite of doing all these things, I am ejaculating prematurely. These people, they can go to the doctors. They can ask some medicine. Fantastic medicines are available. Dapaxetin, this is the latest medicine approved by FDA, US FDA, American drug controllers. They have approved this drug only for premature ejaculation. They can take these drugs 2 hours prior to the sex, and they can take longer time. So, premature ejaculation can be easily prevented. If not by these technique, they can use medicine.
So I just want to put up an easier way. So role play, that would be fine. And the second one is like between role play, and third one is like the partner to dominate yourself. So that would be fine, right?
Okay.
Let's put up in an easier way so that each and everyone can understand on that one.
We don't say it is a domination. Female on top position. Domination means different, but here we say position. Anyway, we can take it in that way.
Sure. Thanks, doctor. Thanks for your leisure time.
Thank you very much.